Hi, Room Now. This is Dr. Rachel Tate coming to you from my home in West Palm Beach, Florida, and I'm talking to you about EULAR 2020 and the virtual e-congress that I hope you've been attending. And again, check us out at roomnow.com for more information. Right now, I wanted to kind of go over a hot button topic and two particular abstracts that I found to be pretty interesting. So something that's come to light in the past few years is biosimilars. And when we're talking about biosimilars, it's kind of nice to have a little bit of data behind it since we know they're similar and not bioidentical. So I'm going to tell you about one particular study first and then we'll come back to the other one. But this is abstract number 0632, and it's a study out of India that looked at etanercept versus biosimilar etanercept in patients who had reactive arthritis. Now, it's a smaller study, only about 94 patients who had reactive arthritis and were separated either into the etanercept group, or 10 of them actually received biosimilar etanercept. And throughout this study, which was over 2 years, they found that at the 1-year follow-up for patients, no new safety signals in the biosimilar etanercept group. And they also found that 4 out of 10 had actually achieved drug-free remission, which is something we've come to expect for patients in general with reactive arthritis if we're lucky. So the second study that I wanted to show you or tell you about today is out of Turkey. It's actually the results of the TREASURE study, and this is abstract number 0650. This again is a smaller study, 231 spondyloarthritis patients who were either receiving infliximab or biosimilar infliximab. And again, this study showed that biosimilar infliximab was just as efficacious and no new safety signals as its biooriginator infliximab. So obviously this is an ongoing kind of a hot button topic for us in rheumatology. I think we'll know more as more data is published and studied, but I think it's really interesting that we're actually looking at this and more than just rheumatoid arthritis. And so I don't want you to not have the option for all of our patients, and I think it's a really fun way to kind of discuss what's going on around the world instead of just talking about a global pandemic right now. So again, this is Dr. Rachel Tate presenting from West Palm Beach, Florida for EULAR 2020 in the e-congress, and check us out on roomnow.com for all the latest and greatest, and I'll see you in just a few minutes. Thanks.